In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show profile picture instead of video in Zoom. This is a simple and useful feature that allows you to stay present in a meeting without turning on your camera, helping you maintain privacy while still appearing professional to others. To get started, open the Zoom application on your device. This method works whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or mobile device. Before proceeding, make sure you are signed in to your Zoom account. This is important because Zoom uses the profile image linked to your account. If you're not signed in, your display may show only your initials instead of a photo. Once you're signed in, go ahead and start a meeting. You can begin a new meeting directly from the home screen. While this can also be done during an ongoing meeting, starting a new one makes it easier to see how the changes take effect right away. After entering the meeting, you'll see your video preview if your camera is currently turned on. At this point, locate the video control icon. On a computer, this is usually found at the bottom left corner of the meeting window. On a mobile device, you may need to tap the screen once to reveal the controls, and then look for the video icon in the toolbar. To switch from your live camera to your profile picture, simply click or tap the video icon once. When you do this, your camera will turn off, and the icon will typically show a small line across it to indicate that video is disabled. This action does not remove you from the meeting. It only turns off your camera feed. As soon as your video is turned off, Zoom will automatically display your profile picture in place of your live video. This image will be visible to all participants in the meeting and will remain there until you decide to turn your camera back on or leave the meeting. If you want to appear on camera again at any time, just click or tap the same video icon, and your live video will resume instantly. For the best experience, make sure you have already uploaded a profile photo to your Zoom account. If no image is set, Zoom will display your initials instead. You can always add a profile picture later through your account settings, and it will be used automatically the next time your video is off. Also, remember that turning off your video is separate from muting your microphone. If needed, you can mute your audio independently to minimize distractions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.